This area was protected in late 70s, early 80s by a group called Citizens Committee to Save the Cache. And that was just a group of citizens who lived in the area and saw this place getting really torn apart really quickly. And so they banded together, bought a lot of the land, and then gave it to the Nature Conservancy and then eventually the National Wildlife Refuge. So this area that we're in now is called Buttonland Swamp. And for all the shrubs you see on the sides, these are all called button bush. And they're in the coffee family, oddly enough, but they are really great habitat for all the small fishes and the frogs and the wood ducks to nest in. They produce these white, round flowers with all these little yellow stamens in them, and they have lots of nectar in them. They're totally covered with bees and butterflies in the summer. The whole reason Eagle Pond here is, and the whole reason that all the swamps in this area here is because of earthquakes. We think Eagle Pond was created during the 1811-1812 New Madrid earthquakes. We are kind of parallel to that fault line, and there's also a lot of other fault lines in the area too. This is about a 900-year-old cypress tree, and we really don't know exactly how old the trees are because most of them are hollow on the inside.
Talk about the benefits of wetlands.
So one of the main benefits to wetlands is the biodiversity here. And so we get all kinds of species coming from the Midwest and the South, all coming together right here. If you look at the range map for a lot of these plants and animals too, this is either the very northern limit or the very southern limit of their range. And so whenever you find air and land meeting water, you're gonna find all kinds of plants and animals.